Hello everyone. My name is Maulydinna Cinta. I want to presentation article from the wheelchair course. So this is the article from my presentation. The title is Smart Nursing Wheelchair, a new trend in assisted care and the future of multifunctional integration. This is an article by Zhewen, Peng, and Hongliu from the Rehabilitation Engineering and Technology Institute, University of Shanghai for Science and Technology, Shanghai. And the article based from the Biomimetics 2024. So the background study as the global elderly population increases, the need for smart technology and medical and curative care is becoming increasingly urgent. Smart nursing wheelchairs are an important innovation that not only provide mobility but also interpret care function, such as position adjustment, transfer assistance, bathing, and automatic toilet use. The use of multifunction sensor technology, such as LiDAR, RGBD camera, and ultrasonic sensor enhance patient autonomy and safety. Human-machine interaction through the voice recognition, touchscreen, and remote control also make use easier. And then for the method used from this article is just a systematic review that examine research literature from databases such as PubMed, IEEE, Explorer, and Scopus, with a keyword related to smart wheelchair, automatic navigation, and human mission interface. The inclusion criteria include per review study published in the last 5 years with a focus on technological innovation and clinical application of smart wheelchair. The irrelevant study or confirmed abstract were excluded from this article. And for the result analysis, the analysis of 1028 publications that met the criteria show that research focus on care function, multifunction sensor technology, and human-machine interaction. The majority of wheelchairs currently still have a single function and do not fully integrate multifunction aspect. Constraints such as large size, lack of navigation autonomy, and limited care function have triggered a trend toward multifunctional integration and artificial intelligence to optimize care. So the main finding from this article is a multifunction smart wheelchair integrated with care function such as position adjustment, patient transfer, bathing, and toilet use have been shown to reduce nurse workload and improve patient quality of life. The sensor technology provides autonomous navigation and obstacle avoidance capability, while a user-friendly human-machine interface enhances the user independence, and the integration of this function is key to addressing the challenge of future elderly and disability care. And for the main finding, for the multifunctional assistive care feature is like the automatic sitting position adjustment, transfer, bathing, and toileting. This is for the reduced nurse workload improve patient comfort. For the multifunction sensor technology, based from the 2D and 3D LiDAR, RGBD camera, ultrasonic sensor, and GPS. This is the autonomous navigation and obstacle avoidance and real-time environment mapping for safe mobility for the elder patient. And then for the varied human-machine interaction, based from the voice control, touchscreen, remote control, and brain-machine interface or BMI, and also include the eye movement like facial expression and then head movement control method. This is for the traditional nurse workload because the Wheelchair is facilitation of automatic transfer, posture adjustment, vital sign monitoring, and for the nurse can focus on other medical intervention. Then for the future development potential from the wheelchair based on the integration of artificial intelligence or AI and the Internet of Things or IoT, personalized function and remote health monitoring for the patient. This is the main finding for the wheelchair. This is for the A is robotic care by Ceylon, and for the B is the multifunctional betting. This is actually for the betting, and then for the C is the prototype. This is the actual prototype of intelligent bed care system. It is for the betting, and for the A is uh, for the D. Uh, for the D, this is also for the assistive flow care for the patient elderly to patient sit to stand mechanism, and then for the E, it is a self-reliance transfer. So this is for the transfer patient to the chair. Uh, this for the home-based care, and then for the if is principal prototype. This is actually prototype for the toileting wheelchair, and then for the A, this is for typical assisted lifting robot for the patient. The name is wheelchair, and for the B is LPR chair. It is for the elderly, and then for the C is the agile life patient transfer. This is actually for the transfer system patient, and then for the D is the piggyback transfer robot. Actually, this is all for the transfer wheelchair. And for the is integration of an electric care bed, an electric leaning wheelchair. This is for the wheelchair for the position adjustment, and then for the F is the transferring the patient assisted by sleep mat. Sleep mat is for transfer patient. Uh, okay, so the discussion, despite significant progress, challenges remain such as interface complexity, large device size, high cost, and limited navigation in confined space. The implementation of AI and machine learning as the control grain of smart wheelchair over hope for personalized adaptive function according to change in user condition. Optimizing ergonomic design and developing intuitive interface are focus of future research. So, this limitation from this article, the dominance of laboratory study or prototype that have not been extensively tested in a real clinical setting with the general public, and then the lack of integration evaluation standard for human-machine interface and practical sensor vision that can be universally adopted is an obstacle to commercialization. And for the largest size, difficult in confined space of the wheelchair, and then also high cost interface complexity, and then autonomous navigation capability still developed. So the conclusion based from the article is the smart nursing wheelchair are a promising new trend as a multifunctional solution in medical and geriatric care, with the integration of advanced solutions like a sensor technology, sensor autonomous navigation, and an interactive human-machine interface. The smart wheelchair can improve the quality of care, reduce the burden on healthcare workers, and increase patient independence. The future of smart wheelchair is expected to become increasingly intelligent, multifunctional, and personalized, serving as a vital partner in modern healthcare service. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Thank you very much for the attention. Bye bye. Hope you like it.